Hi guys, welcome to Naukri Learning. My name is Ramanathan Varige. I am an iOS developer. I have a good knowledge in Shift, SwiftUI, Objective-C and UIKit. In this video, we are going to learn iOS basics, SwiftUI versus UIKit, working with text and images in SwiftUI. If you are ready, so let's get started. First of all, if you want to create an app for iPhone, you need a development kit. For this, we are using Xcode, which is developed by Apple, is used to create an app for MacBook, iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, and Apple Watches. For creating user interface, we can use any of the language SwiftUI and UIKit, and with the combination of any of the language Shift or Objective-C, we can create an app which can run in iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. If you want to publish those apps in App Store means you need a Apple development program, which is $99 per year. By using this, we can create a certificate and license from the Apple, which allows you to publish the app in App Stores. Let's move on to UIKit versus SwiftUI. SwiftUI, which is released in 2019, but UIKit is released in 2008 itself. If you want to use SwiftUI for development means be aware that it will be support only from iOS 13 or later, but UIKit will support from iOS 9 itself. If you want to develop an app which can run in all the Apple platforms like iOS, iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, and watchOS means you definitely go for SwiftUI because UIKit only runs in iOS. For interface builder, SwiftUI use preview, UIKit use storyboard. When come to documentation and support, SwiftUI is released recently, so we can't get as much support as UIKit because most of the app published in App Store is using UIKit only. So if you want to develop any app means we can get lot of support from the internet. Development speed. If you create a view in SwiftUI, it have only less code than the UIKit. So the development and the production will be very fast in SwiftUI. If your app using widget means you definitely go for SwiftUI because UIKit we can't able to create widgets. In this tutorial, we are going to learn only about SwiftUI. Creating apps in SwiftUI is very interesting and also funny. SwiftUI is takes everything that Apple learned from the UIKit and it's a future development language for Apple. So it will be very helpful for your career choice. Before we going to explore and develop apps, we need to confirm some requirements of our system. For this development, first we need a Mac OS which is 10.15 and later, and Xcode which is 11.0 or later. And if you want to run the code in iOS means we need a iOS 13 or later. Then let's go for export and start our project. So we have to download Xcode and start our development process. For that we have to download the Xcode from App Store. Search the apps, go to App Store and search for Xcode. The latest version is 13, so you can download this. I am downloaded and already downloaded and installed, so I can open. If you are not download means it will take time because for this download it 13 GB and for the installation it's need more space. So first go and download the Xcode and then open, and we have to create a new project by file, new, and then project. Yeah, in this we can develop iOS, macOS, watchOS, tvOS, DriveKit, and others. For now, we have to create sample app, right? Yeah, we can also create complex app in iOS also, but we can explore more this. For now, we can select app and next, and give the product name, any product name you want. And then if you have any developer account means we have to choose this team. If you choose team means only you can run this in mobile, or otherwise you will run this in simulator only. And then organization identifier, give any organization identifier. And for now we don't need this because we can explore this in future. And then click next and select the project directory and create. Now Xcode will create a sample project which can run hello world. Don't worry about this because it will always run. It doesn't give any run error. You can run by this play icon, and you have to create the target, which is iOS, macOS. For now we have iOS, and in this we can choose the what simulator we have to be run. And if we want any additional simulator means we can choose this in add simulator, and then in simulator go to simulator, and you can add any device for our target. For now I using iPhone 12, and then run. It will open the simulator. They build it successfully. Yeah, now simulator is opening. Yes, our app is run successfully and print the hello world, and preview also run successfully and says hello world. And let's just explore that Xcode basics. This is a navigator, and first one is project navigator, where we write the code in this file. And the first things is the project settings, where it carries the project metadata, like a project name, bundle identifier, version number, build number, and what are the OS we are supporting, and what are the platform we are supporting, and what is the device oriented, like things. All the metadata will be in that project navigator. And then this is a starting point of app. This at main will inform that iOS that this is a starting project point of our project, and it will call, and inside that we have called that this is a content view, and where we can start writing our app code. And then if your app have any images means we can add the images in this, and we can provide the app icon in this for every dimension, and we can also add colors for our app. And then the second one is for managing our commits and branches. Yeah, if you have team size is more means we will use git for manage our code, right? So for that this will manage, and then this will use to quickly go through our files. And then if you want to search means you can search and find anything inside our project. And if project have any error means build time error, runtime error means this will show in this. And if you write any unit test case means we can see this unit test case. This is showing our app memory usage, like things. I know mostly not using this. And then this will use to create a breakpoint and debugging our code. And this is used to print or times we are running, like things the information is showing. And then the next one is inspector, where that our project file, like things the data are showing in this. And then if you have any commit means what are the commit, like things it will be shown in this. And then if you need any help for documentation means we can search for the documentation. This is accessibility. This is not using so much. And then this is inspector. If you inspect this means, yeah, it will show all the types for these text. So we can do things like this. And then if you this is a preview. If you doesn't show the if you doesn't view the preview means you can select and select this canvas. It will open the preview. And also there is some more, we can get code coverage, minimap of our code. We can easily scrollable, like things there is. And then this is used to stop and run the build. We can choose the targets, and then we can choose the device to run. All the loading will show in this, and the error will be showing this. For now we need this canvas, and we don't need this mind map. Yeah, now let's start with text and play with the text. Yeah, if you want to change the text means let's just do this only. Okay, you can see that it automatically updates the preview, right? Yeah, if anything change in this view, if you have view has this means, it will automatically update your view. Yeah, if you want to change the stimulator also, we can change like that. Preview. Yeah, there is a device, and then we have to give the value which will be the same as this. Okay, I uh, 8 plus. You can check this. Oh, we missed the gap, right? Yeah, if you do this means it will change to iPhone 8 plus also. Yeah, you can see that now device it got changed. So by this we can check the design in every device by changing its device name, like, so it will be very useful for our development to test unit test our design. And this padding is nothing but it will be creating distance between that text and another text. Just if you want to change the font style means, just you have to add font, and then you can see that text will give that. If you want to change that means, there is the lot of this style, title, like large title, caption. If you want large title means, yeah, this will change automatically, right? And then if you want to bold means, just you have to write font weight, and we can give anything, font black, semi bold, like influence. I create bold. Now it will automatically upload bold. Yeah, we can be able to. There is a one more interesting and easy process also. Just open this, and this is an inspector. I already said I will use so much, right? Yeah, we can easily select the title to headline. It will automatically updated, right? The code also are automatically updated. And then if you want to semi bold means, it automatically updated. And then we have to create the padding means, it will automatically create the padding. You can see this in. And then yeah, you can use this, and you can also search some modifier also, and then use this modifier. You can play with this, and then let's do this. Like, we have one more option for bolt also, like you can do like this also. Like if you want to bold means, you can do this. For commenting you can use command plus black slash. Okay, this will also give bold. And if you want italic means, this will italic. Yeah, it will automatically change to italic, so we can easily understand, we easily do. And if you want to underline means, just underline. It will give the some default underline. If you want any color means, we can give the color also. Like if you want, like, right, dot underline color, just then dot red. We can see, yeah, we can change to on the right. And then you can also have strike through also. Strike through, same strike through, there will be, there we can use colors also. Yeah, strike through also we can do. And then if you want to give any font style means, just font dot system sizes. If you give any this size means, it will be fixed for all the devices. But if you give like headline title means, it will be showing based on the devices. So be aware that if you give this size means, it will show all the devices. And the font weight also we can do this. And for design also we can choose like dot cherry. Yeah, the font all get changed, right? Yeah, this will be more fun. And if we don't this, yeah, this is not based on intention, this is just we can also place these in like this also, but it will be more complex when more specified we add, so that only we are using this indentation. And then we can also change the color of the text also, like dot background color. What are the colors? Blue, black, writing here have just within for now giving you. Yeah, now updated. And also we can change the foreground color also. Foreground foreground color dot, yeah, updating, right? Yes. And then we can set the frame size also. We can set the frame size like frame. We can also see the definition of the everything in this, like frame, positioning the view with the like things. It will show all the definition. Just we have to choose this. In this we have to mention what are the width size. Just we can choose like 300. Height will be 40. Height will be 80, and for alignment the center. There will be, yeah, this will attempt, yeah. This will create the frame, and inside that we can use this in center. There is also one other is leading. This will, yeah, this will place the center before. Yeah, and then if you want to change that text format also, we can go into like dot uppercase. It will automatically change all the character to uppercase, or we have to do like lowercase. Yeah, but yeah, there's two function I called, so that yeah, we can do this. Okay. And also if we have multiple line text means also we can do like we can do like if you want any line break means just we can do this. It will automatically break the line, right? Yeah, it automatically break the line. And also there is a one more if you for this we have multi text line alignment. For that we have leading, center, trailing, all classes. If you use trailing means it will allow the trailing. Okay, we are choosing the frame, right, so that it will constrain. If you are not using the frame means it will automatically uses all the spaces, and all the text will be shown. Yeah, that is for text. Mm, Now go for images and how we can use the images in SwiftUI. Just we can move on to images. For this I have taken all the code. Yeah, now images. For this just we have to add the images in this asset by adding this image in asset. Go to the content view. Like text you have to image, and you have to give the same name as in this. You can change this and use the same image, exact image, or it will show the error. Okay, okay. I'm using one brand. Yeah, now the image, but the image is very long size. You can see the image frame. It will be going outside of the phone. So for this we have to use resizable identifier. Say set the mode by which SwiftUI resize the image fit to the space. It will switch to the space. So for that we have to use this. It will fit to the space. It will, but the image will be compressed, right? For this we have to use like dot scale to fit. Now the image is fit, but within that frame, and it is not compressed or not stretching, right? Then like text, we can also give the frame sizes for this. Same all frame sizes, width, height, and alignment, right? And choose that, and choose that at 100, and the height 100 alignment dot center. Yeah, it's not too okay. That's visible, right? You can give 150, right? 150. Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah, we can also give the shadow for this, like dot shadow, and this color radius x and y. We can for now I'm give for now if you doesn't see that the recommendations, please press X escape. It will show that all this, and then choose this radius, and then inside the radius we are choosing 5. Now you can see the exact the image shadow, right? This, yeah. And also if you want to change size, style size means that clip. Yes, but we doesn't give that clip shape, right? For that we have to use clip shape. What shape? First we can choose circle. Yeah, now the image will be circle, and there also there is also another thing, which is round rectangular, and also we can specify the corner radius 5 or 10. We can able to see that, right? We can able to see the corner radius. Now it will be, the shape will be more good, right? And also we can also use ellipse. Yeah, we can also you can try this with different, and then we use overlay. We can also change the shape by this also, right? Overlay round rectangle, and then inside we can specify the corner radius of 10, and then you can specify the stroke for this stroke, which of line width 2, and then we can also choose foreground color, like if you first we do it blue. Now you can see that the edges will be blue, right? If you have any doubt, means ask question in the comment section. Me or from my team will definitely respond to that. If you really like this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the Naukri channel, means please subscribe for more update.